Summer Breeze, your guide to summer clothing and accessories in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. In today's video, we're going to focus on summer clothing and accessories. We'll look at the names of various types of clothes and accessories people usually wear during the summer season, and we'll learn how to use these words in sentences. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Summer is often synonymous with hot weather, and this influences what people wear. Here are some common clothing items. 1. T-shirt, a lightweight shirt without buttons. 2. Shorts, short trousers that reach only to the knees or higher. 3. Swimsuit, a garment worn for swimming. 4. Sundress, a light, loose, sleeveless dress, typically having a wide neckline and thin shoulder straps. 5. Sandals, light shoes that are partly open on top and fasten with a strap around the ankle. Try to make sentences with these words. For example, I bought a new t-shirt for the beach. Summer clothing isn't complete without accessories. Here are a few accessories commonly used in summer. 1. Sunglasses, glasses with tinted lenses to protect the eyes from sunlight. 2. Sun hat, a hat with a wide brim that blocks sunlight from the face and shoulders. 3. Flip-flops, a type of sandal with a Y-shaped strap between the first and second toes. Here's how you can use these words in a sentence. Don't forget your sunglasses and sun hat when going to the beach. Describing clothes and accessories is an essential part of fashion. Some adjectives you might use are: 1. Lightweight, not heavy, easy to carry. 2. Bright, having lots of light, either natural or artificial. 3. Loose, not tightly fastened, attached, or held. 4. Colorful, having much or varied color. Now, try to make sentences with these words. For example, I prefer lightweight and bright clothes during summer. We've reached the end of our video on summer clothing and accessories in English. Now you should be more familiar with the names of various clothing items and accessories, as well as how to describe them. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing, so try to use these words in your everyday conversations. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on learning English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.